Hello guys! Welcome sa ating z-knowledgeTV. So, sa video na ito, ating pag-aaralan yung basic laws ng electricity. So, for the objectives, after successful completion of this unit, you should be able to first use Ohm's law to calculate the voltages and currents in electric circuits. Then analyze single loop and single node pair circuits to calculate the voltages and currents in an electric circuit. So, lahat ng ito ay pag-aaralan natin dito sa ating tutorial. Pero, before tayo mag-start, don't forget to like this video and click the subscribe button para ma-notify kayo sa mga next videos. So, let's get started. So, according to Thevenin, we believe that electricity exists because the electric company keeps sending us bills for it. So, but we cannot figure out it travels inside wires. So, therefore, the fundamental laws of electricity are mathematically complex. So, pero, meron tayong analogy to offer an easy way to gain a basic understanding of it. Okay? So, in this figure, we represent that this water flow will able to analyze or understand the concept of electricity. So, dito sa figure na ito, makikita natin itong faucet. Then, meron tayong hose. At sa loob ng hose ay may mga sand. So, ano ba nire-represent ng bawat isang yan? Okay. So, bawat isang yan ay nire-represent natin pagdating sa electricity. Okay. So, yung pressure, nire-represent niya is yung para sa voltage. Yung diameter, nire-represent niya is para sa current. And then yung sand, ang nire-represent niya ay para sa resistance. Okay, so paano ba natin masasabi na yung bawat isang to, okay, ay nire-represent sa electricity? Okay, so ganito yan. Okay, so yung voltage is tulad ng pressure na kung saan it pushes water through the hose. Okay? So, siya yung nagpo-push ng water flow, di ba? Yung pressure. So, ganun din ang voltage. So, siya yung nagpo-push ng mga electrons. Okay? Para mag-flow. Then, ano naman yung sa current? So, the current is like the diameter ng hose. So, meaning, the wider it is, okay, the more water will flow through. And then yung sa resistance, okay? So, it is like a sand na nasa loob ng hose natin. That slows down the water flow. Okay, di ba? Pag papansin natin, kapag may barado yung hose natin, so kaparanggot lang o kakaunti lang yung lumalabas na water flow. So, ganun yung concept ng resistance. So, pagdating sa sand, so siya yung humaharang. Okay? So kapag nilagay natin siya sa circuit diagram, so ganito yung representation. So meron tayong voltage, meron tayong current, then meron tayong resistance. Next. So pag-aralan natin ang Ohm's Law. So sabi dito, Ohm's Law states that the voltage across a resistor is directly proportional to the current flowing through the resistor. So, kapag in-analyze natin itong definition ng Ohm's Law, so magka-come up tayo sa formulang ito. Wherein, yung voltage is directly proportional to current. So meaning, kapag nagtaas tayo ng value ng current, is tataas din yung measured voltage natin. As well as kapag nagbaba tayo ng amount ng current, so bababa rin yung voltage natin. So mathematically, voltage is equal to current multiplied by resistance. So wherein yung dito sa formulang to, okay, dito sa formulang to, yung resistance is siya yung constant. Okay? So next, pag-aralan natin yung resistance. So sabi dito, the resistance R of one element denotes its ability to resist the flow of electric current. It is measured in ohms. So sabi natin kanina sa analogy natin ng water flow, so yung sand doon, siya yung humaharang. Tama? So siya yung nagbibigay ng gaano ba kalaki, gaano ba karami yung amount ng current na i-flow natin o ilalabas natin dun sa electrical wiring natin. So using the formula kanina ng Ohm's Law, we can derive the formula of resistance. So ang formula kanina ng Ohm's Law ay V is equal to current multiplied by resistance. So, kapag dinerive natin yung formula ng resistance, okay, so divide natin yan both side by I. So, therefore, cancel out to. So, ang resistance natin ay voltage over current. Okay, so dito, makikita natin na yung resistance, may kinalaman din siya sa material with resistivity and also for the cross-sectional area and the length of the material. Okay, for the current representation o symbols representation, so yung R, siya yung resistors natin. Okay. So next, a short circuit is a circuit element with resistance approaching 0. So, meaning yung resistance natin ay 0. So, kapag nakita natin o na-compute natin na ang resistance ay 0, ibig sabihin niyan na yung wire natin ay connected. Okay? So, yung positive natin at yung negative natin ay connected. So, kaya natin masabi na yung resistance ay 0. So, therefore, yung current flow na nagpo-flow dyan sa wire natin ay maximum. Okay? So, ano naman yung open circuit? So, open circuit is a circuit element with resistance approaching infinity. So, ganito naman siya. So, ano ibig sabihin yan? Ang ibig sabihin, di ba, open nga yung circuit natin, so may parang putol. So therefore, kapag putol yung wire natin, walang current na mag-flow dyan. So therefore, yung current natin ay equal sa 0. Next. So a resistor that obeys Ohm's law is known as a linear resistor. So these types of resistors whose value changes with the applied temperature and voltage. So, ano mga examples sa atin dyan? Ang example sa atin dyan, fixed and variable resistors. So, ganito yung slope natin para kay linear resistor. Kaya siya tinawag na linear resistor is dahil isang straight line siya. So, kapag plinat natin siya sa VI plots natin. So, ano naman yung non-linear resistor? So, a non-linear resistor does not obey Ohm's law. So, bakit siya hindi nag-obey Ohm's law? Kasi, these types of resistors where the electric current flowing through it changes with the exchange in applied voltage or temperature. So, meaning, nakadepende siya. Okay? So, ano ba mga examples niya? Thermistor, varistor, photoresistor. Kaya kung titignan natin itong characterization niya, Okay, so mapapansin natin na pabago-bago yung slope. Okay? So kung pabago-bago yung slope, so therefore, pwede nating bago-baguhin din yung resistance natin. Okay? So next. So ito yon yung mga different types ng resistors natin. So nahati yung resistors natin sa linear at non-linear resistors. So in every type ng resistors, meron different resistors na meron silang nakakulob. So sabi nga, different types of resistors is may kanya-kanyang functions. So punta naman tayo sa conductance. So kung kanina, ang meaning natin ng resistance is it opposing the flow of current. So itong conductance naman is baliktad. So conductance is the ability of an element to conduct electric current. So it is measured in mhos or in Siemens. Okay? So kung kabaliktaran siya ng resistance, so ang formula natin is reciprocal ng resistance. Okay? So kung ang formula natin is reciprocal ng resistance, so paano naman siya kapag in terms of voltage and current? So ganito. So G is equal to 1 over R, di ba? So ano ba formula ng R natin? Formula ng R natin is voltage over current. So therefore, kapag dinivide natin yung 1 divided by voltage over current, so magpapalit lang to. So therefore, current is equal to voltage. Okay? So we should note two things. So first, the power dissipated in a resistor is a nonlinear function of either current or voltage. And since R and G are positive quantities, therefore the power dissipated in a resistor is always positive. So di tayo magkakaroon ng negative value dyan. So thus, a resistor always absorbs power from the circuit. So this confirms the idea that a resistor is a passive element incapable of generating energy. So absorb lang siya ng absorb at hindi niya kayang mag-dissipate ng energy. Okay? Or magbigay ng energy sa iba pang mga elements natin. So next, dako tayo sa ating example. So, an electric iron draws 2 amp at 120 volts. So find its resistance. Okay? So sa example, so meron tayong current at meron tayong voltage. So ano nga ba yung formula ng resistance? So makukuha natin yan sa formula ng Ohm's Law. So from Ohm's Law, so R is equal to voltage over current. So substituting the given to the formula, so therefore, ganito yung come up natin. So R is equal to 120 volts over 2 amp. So getting the quotient of these two given natin, so makakuha tayo ng resistance na 60 ohms. Okay? So next. So example number 2. So in the circuit shown in the figure, calculate the current I, the conductance G, and the power P. So given this figure. Okay, so meron tayong source na 30 volts. Meron tayong resistor na may value na 5 kilo ohms. At hahanapin daw natin yung flow ng current o yung amount ng current na nagwo-flow. Then yung reciprocal ng resistance. And then yung power na nagdi-dissipate dito. Okay? So, first, the voltage across the resistor is the same as the source voltage. So, yun nga. So, meron tayong 30 volts. So, because the resistor and the voltage source are connected in the same pair of terminals, so, ano ba yung same pair of terminals? So, same pair of terminals is ito yun. Yan, meron tayo dito sa taas, meron tayo dito sa baba. So, parehas yung terminal sila ng source natin at ng resistor. So, hence, the current is by using formula natin ng Ohm's Law. So, deriving the formula ng current, so voltage divided by resistance. So, by substituting the given, so meron tayong voltage na 30 volts at meron tayong resistance na 5 kilo ohms or 5 times 10 raised to 3. So, getting the quotient, so makakuha tayo ng current na 6 milliamp. Okay? So, pero sa computation nyo, sa calculator, ganito yung makikita nyo. Okay? Or may unit tayo na milliamp. So, meron tayong current. So, paano naman yung conductance? So, the conductance is only the reciprocal ng resistance natin. Tama? So, kunin lang natin reciprocal ng 5 times 10 raised to 3. So, makakuha tayo ng 0.2 or pwede natin makompute yung 2 times 10 raised to 4 Siemens. Okay? So, next. So, for the power, we can calculate the power in various ways using the formula ng power. So, di ba ang formula ng power is the product ng voltage and current. So, by substituting, so, meron tayong voltage na 30 volts at meron tayong na-compute na current na 6 milliamp. So, by getting the product, so, makakompute tayo ng power na 180 milliwatts. So, ano pa ang ibang formula ng power? Meron tayong another formula ng power na power is equal to I squared R. So, paano naman nag-come up yan? So, syempre, by using this simple formula natin ng power. So, di ba ang formula natin ng power is power is equal to VI So therefore, yung power natin is product lang ng square ng current at ng resistance. So, square lang natin yung current natin, then multiply natin sa resistance. So therefore, ang magiging sagot natin dyan ay same pa rin na 180 milliwatts. Okay? So next, meron pa tayong isa pang formula. So, paano naman kapag in terms ng conductance? So di ba ang basic formula natin ng power ay voltage times current. Tama? So, then alam natin na yung current ay voltage over R. Okay? So, substitute lang natin yan dito sa given formula natin. Okay? So, therefore, V multiplied by B over R. Okay? So, pwede din natin masabi na V times B ay V squared over R. And then, i-factor natin silang dalawa. Factor natin yung R. So, pagiging ganito, itsura na, di ba? So, 1 over R. So, alam natin na ang definition ng conductance ay reciprocal ng resistance. And from this equation, so yung R is naka-reciprocal na. So therefore, itong 1 over R ay yung mismong conductance natin. So therefore, that will be the formula ng power. So by substituting the value, so meron tayong voltage na 30 volts, kung natin yung square niyan, meron tayong conductance na reciprocal ng resistance, which is, na-complete natin kanina is 0.2 millisiemens. Okay? So by getting the product, makakuha tayo ng same pa rin na power na 180 milliwatts. Okay? So next, for example 3. So a voltage source of 20 sin pi t volts is connected across a 5 kilo ohm resistor. Find the current through the resistor and the power dissipated. So, alam natin na meron tayong formula na current is equal to voltage over resistance. So, try lang natin na i-substitute tong 20 sin pi t dun sa voltage natin, and then yung 5 kilo ohm sa resistor. So, by getting the quotient, makakuha tayo ng answer na 4 sin pi t milliamp. So, dito, ang i-divide lang natin guys is yung 20 at yung 5 times 10 raised to 3. Okay? So, makakamak tayo ng sagot na 4 milliamp. Tama? So, then, i-multiply lang natin itong sin natin. Sin pi t. Okay? Hence, by getting the power, so meron tayong voltage at meron na tayong computed na current. So, pag kinuha natin yung product nila, makakuha tayo ng 80 sin squared pi t milliwatts. Okay. So, for the network topology, so a branch represents a single element such as a voltage source or a resistor. So, a node is the point of connection between two or more branches, and the loop is any closed path in a circuit. So, lahat ng ito is yung makikita natin sa isang circuits. Okay, so ano ba yung branch? So, pagdating sa circuit, ano ba yung node? Ano ba yung loop? So, makikita natin yan dito sa circuit natin. So, yung branch ay meron tayong 5. So, ano ba yun? So, meron tayong 10 volts na voltage source. Meron tayong 2 amp na current source. At meron tayong 3 resistors. Yung 5 ohm, 2 ohm, at 3 ohm. So, sila yung branches natin. So, ano naman yung node? So, meron tayong node na 3. So, kung i-reconstruct natin tong circuits natin, so meron tayong 3. Meron tayong node A, meron tayong node B, at meron tayong node C. So, sabi sa definition, node is the point of connection between two or more branches. So, para kay node A, meron tayong kumukonect sa kanya na 2 branches, which is yung 5 ohm at yung mismong source natin na 10 volts. Kay node B, ang nagko-connected sa kanya is yung 5 ohm natin, 2 ohm natin, 3 ohm natin, at yung current source natin na 2 amp. Then yung kay node C, nagko-connect sa kanya is yung mismong source natin na 10 volts, 2 ohm, 3 ohm, at yung current source natin na 2 amp. So therefore, meron tayong 3 nodes. So, paano naman yung kay loop? So, si loop is meron tayong 3. So, paano ba yon? So, ganito yung pagkuha ng loop. So, a first loop is along nodes A, B, C, A with the 2 ohm resistor is independent. Okay? So, loop tayo ng from A, B, C, pabalik ng A. So, ito yung first loop. Yan. So, first loop yan. Then, the second loop is yung 3 ohm resistor and the current source is independent. So, dito yun. Okay, ito yung second loop. So, next, nasan yung last loop? So, ang last loop is yung 2 ohm resistor parallel sa 3 ohm resistor. So, dito siya. So, dito yung nag-loop. Okay? So, ngayon, ano pa ibang paraan para masabi natin na gantong loop lang yung meron ang isang circuit? So, by using this formula, branch is equal to loop plus node minus 1. Okay? So, by getting the formula para kay loop, so arrange lang natin yan. So, loop is equal to branch. Lipat natin itong n, saka itong minus 1 dun sa kabila side. So, magiging branch minus n plus 1. So, ilan ba kanina yung branch natin? Meron tayong 5. Ilan ba yung nodes natin? Meron tayong 3. So, plus 1. So, therefore, 5 minus 3, 2, plus 1 is 3. So, meron tayong 3 loops. Para sa circuit topology naman, so as the next two definition shows, circuit topology is of great value to the study of voltages and currents in an electric circuit. So, two or more elements are in series if they exclusively share a single node and consequently carry the same current. So, in this first definition, this is the definition ng series circuit. Okay, so tandaan lang natin na masasabi natin siyang in series kapag daw nag-share yung two or more elements natin in single node. Okay? So therefore, kapag series sila, so meron silang current na similar. Pareho yung current na nag-flow sa kanila. Okay, so kaya kung sa circuit na to, so connected sila in series. So kung connected sila in series, so sabi natin itong 3 kilo ohm resistor at 10k resistor, nagko-connected sila sa isang single node, which is yung node 2. Then itong 10k na resistor at 5k na resistor, nag-share sila sa single node na 3. Okay? Then yung resistor na 3k natin at yung voltage source natin na 9 volts, nag-share sila sa single node na 1. And then yung 5k at yung 9 volts, nag-share sila sa single node na 4. So kung nag-sharing sila sa single node, so pasok sila sa definition ng series. So therefore, yung current na nagpo-flow sa kanilang mga yan, sa bawat element na yan is pare-parehas. So meron silang current na pareho. Okay? So ano pa? So two or more elements are in parallel naman. So parallel daw sila kapag they are connected to the same two nodes. So hindi siya single node, kundi two nodes yung pinag-share nila. Consequently, have the same voltage across them. So, paano naman yan? So, in this circuit, so, masabi natin na parallel tong 10K, 2K, at 1K na resistor kasi nag-share sila sa 2 nodes. Sabi natin ito, yung 2K at saka 1K, nag-share sila sa 2 nodes, node 4 at node 3. Okay? Ganyan din sa node 5 at node 6. Okay? So kaya masabi mo silang in parallel. So, therefore, kung parallel yung dalawang yan, so, yung kung ano man yung voltahe na meron dito, so, siyang voltahe rin na meron dito. So, pares lang yan. Okay? So therefore, kung itong tatlong resistors natin connected in parallel dito kay voltage source na 9 volts, therefore, kung voltage natin is 9, so therefore, meron din tayo nag-flow na 9 volts dito, 9 volts dito, at 9 volts dito. Okay, basta tandaan na yung bawat elements natin o bawat branches natin is connected in two nodes, two or more nodes. Okay? In both terminal. Okay? So, paano natin siya ma-analyze? So, let's proceed sa example 4. So, sabi dito, determine the number of branches and nodes in the circuit shown in the figure. Identify which elements are in series and which are in parallel. So, by using this circuitry. Okay. So, meron tayong branch na apat. So, 10 volts, 5 ohm, 6 ohm, at 2 amp. At meron din tayong node na tatlo. So, node 1, 2, and 3. So, therefore, the 5 ohm resistor is in series with the 10 volts voltage source because the same current would flow in both. Tama? So, since na itong 5 ohm natin at itong source natin at 10 volts is nag-share sa isang node which is node 1, so series sila. So, therefore, yung current na nagpo-flow dito sa source is siyang current din na nagpo-flow dito kay 5 ohm. So, then, yung 6 ohm resistor natin is in parallel with the 2 amp natin because both are connected to the same nodes, 2 and 3. So, itong 6 ohm natin at itong 2 amp natin, parallel daw sila kasi share sila sa node 2 at node 3. Okay? So, therefore, kung parallel sila, therefore, yung voltage na meron itong 6 ohm is siyang meron ding voltahe itong 2 amp natin. Okay? So, ganun yung pag-analyze ng kung itong branches ba is in series or in parallel. So, therefore, that's the end of this topic. So, thank you for listening and thank you for watching. So, God bless.